Similar triangles. Exercise number 8.1. Question number 2. In the given figure, LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. And we have to prove that AM by AB equal to AN by AD. So, given LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD, we have to prove that AM by AB equal to AN by AD. Solution. First you take this one. If LM is parallel to CB, we know by basic proportionality theorem, LM divides other two sides in the same ratio. That is, we are going to get AL by LC equal to AM by MB. We will see the diagram. So this is a diagram. LM is parallel to CB. So in this triangle ABC, LM is parallel to CB. We know that by basic proportionality theorem, if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. That is, AL by LC equal to AM by MB. That is only we written here. AL by LC equal to AM by MB. Let it be equation number 1. Similarly, LN is parallel to CD. So LN is parallel to CD. So again in this triangle, this triangle, in this triangle, LN divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio. So that is AL by LC. AL by LC equal to AN by ND by basic proportionality theorem. So LN divides other two sides AC and AD in the same ratio. That is AL by LC equal to AN by ND. Let it be equation number 2. From 1 and 2, just you observe AL by LC, AL by LC. So both are equal. So finally we can conclude that AM by MB equal to AN by ND. So we got it, AM by MB is equal to AN by ND. But he is asking to prove AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. So for that we are doing the next step. So first you take the reciprocals on both sides. So that is MB by AM equal to ND by AN. Interchange numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator. So that is MB by AM equal to ND by AN. In the next step, add 1 on both sides. Adding 1 on both sides. MB by AM plus 1. That is nothing but 1 by 1. We are writing as a fraction. This is a fraction. I am writing 1 also as a fraction. So ND by AN plus 1 by 1. So we will add these two fractions just by doing cross multiplication. So MB into 1 is nothing but MB plus AM into 1 is nothing but AM. In the denominator, AM into 1 is nothing but AM. That is equal to ND into 1 is nothing but ND. AN into 1 is nothing but AN by AM into 1 is nothing but AN. So just you see how to add two fractions without doing LCM. Directly we can do. I will explain with example. Just you do cross multiplication. 3 into 3, that is 9. Plus symbol is there, keep that plus symbol in the middle. 4 into 2, 8. In the denominator, multiply both the denominators. 4 into 3. So 9 plus 8 is 17 by 12. Like that we can do addition of subtraction of two fractions without taking LCM. So finally MB plus AM is nothing but AB by AM. ND plus AN is nothing but AD by AN. And again you take the reciprocals, that is AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. So taking reciprocals in the sense changing the numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator. So here I am changing this denominator as numerator. So that is AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. Hence proved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. So just you see MB plus AM, I will show in the diagram. So MB plus AM is nothing but AB. That is only we written here. AB is written. ND plus AN. ND plus AN is nothing but AD. That is only we written here. And in the next step, which interchanged as denominator as numerator, numerator as denominator. That is nothing but taking the reciprocals. Finally, AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. This is required to us, hence proved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.